Hey everybody, this is Kevin with All Star Medical, and today we're going to show you how to change batteries for the GoGo series. This is a GoGo Elite Traveler battery box. They're very simple, but we get a lot of questions about it, so we thought we'd just show you how to do it. On the front end, I always like to tell you the first thing I check for is make sure the breaker has not been kicked. Sometimes that happens when you're going up a hill. You may be over the weight capacity of the chair, something like that, so check the breaker, make sure it hadn't hit. There's also a fuse right inside here. You can take that fuse out, make sure that the fuse is still good, and then we'll look at the batteries. But in this case, we're just going to play it as the batteries need to be changed. So there are 8 spots back here that need to be, the screws need to be taken out. So I'm going to go through and take them out real quick. It doesn't take a long time, but just know that there are 8 spots on these GoGo battery boxes. Once you do this, you'll see inside that it's fairly easy to deal with. On the GoGo series, the standard batteries always have 2 batteries in here. There's a battery here and a battery there. Unless you're dealing with a lithium type battery, most all of your battery boxes do have 2. So just keep that in mind when you're going out to change. Don't buy one battery, always swap them both out, because the other one's going to draw off of one and you're going to end up having an issue. So keep that in mind. And also, check to make sure you have in some cases, most of the battery warranties are about 13 months with Prime. So you could always check with the manufacturer or check with whoever you got the mobility scooter from. You could always check it out and see what you need to do there. So again, I always like going a little bit longer screwdriver here because you've got to reach down this little hole. It may take just a second to undo it, but you'll get there. If you're watching this, we really appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to the page. As we like, we've got all sorts of helpful information that hopefully benefits you, whether it's scooters, lift chairs, things like that. Just keep that in mind. So it's a little bit of a process, but nothing major. And I usually don't worry about getting the screws out here all the way. I'll just loosen them up, and then when I turn it over, you want to have a flat surface because these screws are small, so when you do it, you don't lose any of the screws when they fall out. You can do a magnetic tip, you can do that. That's a simple way of doing it. I'm just trying to show you for this purpose the easiest way to do it. And this is pretty much goes on any GoGo series mobility scooter that Pride makes. So what I like to do, sit that right there. I had one of them drop out. So we're going to open this up. You're going to see, right here, you have 2 batteries in, okay? So if I were to take this out, I'm just going to pop these and take this. This is all you have to do. Just swap this and connect these back in. Make sure obviously you've got your positive with a positive, negative with negative. Have that all set up. But other than that, it's a fairly easy process. I will tell you that Pride typically Velcros theirs on. You can kind of see the Velcro that's in there. When we do the replacement batteries, we typically don't do that because they are very difficult to get in and out. We've even seen where people bring us batteries and we can't get them out because they're so swollen, because people have charged them too much that they swell up inside here and they're really difficult to get out. Some people even have to get a new battery box because they've actually charged it too long. They've left it on for a month or 2, and that's not what you want to do. That's why we recommend that daily charge and usage as well. So real simple to do. Pop it in and out. Your voltage on this, just so you can see, your watt voltage is 13.6 to 13.8 volts, 1.8 amps on the current. You can get these batteries pretty much anywhere. Mobility supply stores are going to have them probably in stock. You will find other battery stores that may have them, but the main thing is knowing what connector they have. And typically this is the connectors you're going to have on most all of your GoGo series scooters. So hopefully this helps. If you need to change one out, you'll see how simple it is. You change it out, pop the screws back in. You know, takes about 10 minutes to do, really. So keep that in mind. If you like this information, please like and subscribe to us, and we'd really appreciate it. Thanks, and have a great day.